Miras. How's it going?
Oh, hi, James. Fine, thanks. I'm just buying some ingredients for dinner. I'm making one of Jamie Oliver's dishes. You should watch his show. It's great.
No, thanks. I'm not into cookery programs like you. I prefer comedies. I like to have a good laugh.
I know. There's nothing wrong with that. At least you're not a soap addict like my sister Nazim. She never misses an episode.
Tell me about it. My mum is the same, and my brother Tom only watches documentaries. They don't know what they're missing.
What about your sister Jane? Does she watch much TV?
No, not really. But when she does, she likes to watch quiz shows and try and answer the questions. The biggest telly addict I know is my next-door neighbour, Kairat. He has sports programmes blasting from his TV every night. It's kind of annoying at times. Anyway, I'd better go. Nice talking to you.
Yeah, you too. See you later.